am Akhil Malhotra, Chairman of Rudra Innovation Limited. We are into recycling of plastics, mainly PET bottles, and we are one of the leading recyclers of the country. Rather, I would say we are the only people in the country who have got all these facilities, starting from PET bottle recycling to fabric, filament, yarn, technical textile fabrics, carpets, everything under one roof. We are even recycling bottle caps to granules for vegetable crates. So we are making beautiful fabrics which we say are Anora. We don't say it is a fabric, we say it's a substitute of fabric which is called Anora. Because when you make a fabric, you either cut a tree, you shave a sheep, or you go to crude byproducts to make fabric. But in our case, in all those three cases, you are playing with the planet. In our case, we are cleaning the planet, making the planet green by collecting the waste and converting that waste into beautiful Anora, which is, Anora means honor, which is an honor for the wearer who is wearing sustainable, enjoying fashion and comfort as well. So this is the business model we are doing.
What is the biggest challenge in India for recycling?
Regarding
Plastic recycling.
recycling has got a very big opportunity in India rather. There is less challenge, more opportunity. See, the awareness campaigns are going on for the plastic recycling. The government under our respective Prime Minister's regime, all the government bodies are very active. They are bringing in different schemes to give incentives to the recyclers. So rather than challenge, it is time who grabs the opportunity at this time. Because the plastic PET bottle consumption is growing day by day. And the second thing which is happening is, after the recycling industry is growing, the awareness campaign brought in by some social organizations and the government bodies, the collection of the bottles, that is also started growing. So we are getting now bottles, we are getting more from collection and from generation. Both ways we are getting more bottles. So raw material is abundantly available. Now is the time to use this raw material convert this raw material into usable, sustainable products.
What inspired you to dedicate your work?
Basically, I am from engineering industry. 80 to 97 I was into engineering. Then I set up a small spinning unit in 97. Because engineering was a very high value added industry where I was doing a very high value addition. So after setting up the spinning industry, I could hardly see any value addition as compared to the engineering industry. So whenever you do some business, see, my market prices are governed by the market forces, and manufacturing costs are also governed by the labor cost and the power cost. They are almost the same to everybody. So the difference is, the only what you can do is you can play with the raw material. So I started processing acrylic waste at that time in 97, 98. And by 2003, polyester fiber became more prominent than acrylic fiber. So I went to China to buy some fancy yarn machines where I saw that these polyester PET bottles were being converted into polyester fiber. That fiber was very inferior in quality and was being used for polyfills and for mattresses and all. So I, being from engineering industry, I visited those plants and I could make out that by changing the design of the plant, we can even convert this fiber into a very good fiber which will be equally good to virgin fiber. So I designed this plant and I was the first one to bring in a high density fiber plant in 2009-10. for this polyester recycling fiber. I was the first one to bring in polyester filament plant in the country, recycling polyester filament yarn. I was one of the first people to bring in B2B plant in India at that time. So the things, they were looking very attractive. That the inspiration levels were going high every day. Till 2020-21, there was a big challenge in the industry that nobody wanted recycle. And people used to look at recycle at that some filthy item is there. Nobody wanted to wear that recycle. It was only after the FIFA World Cup happened and the team they used this recycled uniforms that gave awareness worldwide that yes, very good fabrics can be made out of recycled fibers. And by 2020, because nobody wanted to recycle, we had already struggled and achieved a quality which was equally good to virgin. So we were selling our recycled products in the market, telling people that this is virgin. So that time people were not believing us that this is virgin because we were recyclers. Now we are going to people and we are telling them that this is recycled. They don't believe this is recycled because they said this looks like virgin. So the scene has changed because every brand, now all these good brands worldwide, famous brands, Zara, H&M, IKEA, they are basically saying that they will go 100% for the sustainable in coming 2-3 years. And if all these brands are going sustainable, this industry has got a huge future coming ahead.
So how can we encourage business to adopt sustainability?
See, I will say here that even I am wearing a t-shirt which is made out of my product. But I am wearing it because it is comfortable and it is matching the fashion. Had it not been comfortable, I will not wear it. And if I will not wear it, none of my user will wear it. Nobody will wear it because it is sustainable. They want to fulfill the obligation because people will wear it when they will find it comfortable. So we need to make excellent quality. Excellent. We need to match the day-to-day fashion. We need to match the feel of the fabric. We need to match the stretch of the fabric to attract the consumers to our fabric, to our product, where they can feel proud. Getting all the वो production करना पड़ेगा, वो qualities लेके आनी पड़ेंगी अपने products में, कि people feel honored, they enjoy the comfort and the fashion. That is our motto. We are doing it. You can see the products which we have displayed. I am wearing, my daughter over here, she is wearing a beautiful dress. This is all made of sustainable. So we are creating tomorrow. We are creating the tomorrow which is to come. The products which we are going to give to the, which we are producing today. We are making a huge expansion where the world's latest machinery is coming right now also. By September the project will be completed. We are really able to give you beautiful fabrics for even more beautiful fabrics which you see at today at IKEA, H&M and Reebok's showrooms, all lifestyle and everywhere. More beautiful, more comfortable and more fashionable fabrics than them by September this year. And they will be for garmenting and home furnishing as well.
सर क्या किसी ऑनलाइन सेलिंग ब्रांड जो है जैसे अमेज़ॉन है, फ्लिपकार्ट है, इन सब के साथ कोई कोलैबोरेशन है आपकी कंपनी का?
अभी नहीं है. वी आर डूइंग वाइट लेवल गारमेंटिंग राइट नाउ. हम ब्रांड्स को गारमेंट, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आफ्टर दिस एग्जीबिशन वी पार्टिसिपेटेड इन भारत-टेक्स. नाउ वी आर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन लॉट. वी आफ्टर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन भारत-टेक्स वी गॉट एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर्स फ्रॉम साउथ अफ्रीका. The consignments are going on right now.
These are sir, same companies, no? Anora.
Anora is basically our brand name for our the fabric replacement which we say is Anora. Anora is honor of wearing sustainable where you enjoy comfort and fashions. And the name of the company is Rudra Ecovision Limited.
Something about from our channel to the fans for the social media.
I will only say the fans, the upcoming kids, to just try it once. And if you feel good, just comment good on it. If you feel bad, just let us know. We'll improve further.
Sure.